Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by powering off the Beats and disconnecting Bluetooth so electronics stay safe. Once done, remove the ear cushions gently. They pop off with firm, even pressure. This exposes the mesh and housing. Lay parts in order so you remember orientation. Make sure to open charging port covers and remove any debris with a soft brush or toothpick before liquid contact. This prevents trapped grime from pushing deeper when you begin wet cleaning. You'll treat cushions and sound-facing parts differently because moisture damages drivers. First, wash removable cushions in mild soapy water, rinse, and towel blot. Then air dry completely, moisture must be gone. For the headband and exterior metal or plastic, lightly dampen a microfiber with 70% isopropyl and wipe. This disinfects and removes oils. For the speaker mesh, use a dry cotton swab and gentle brush strokes to lift dust. You finish by confirming every component is fully dry, ideally several hours. Then snap cushions back into place and close ports. Once reassembled, power on and pair to test at low volume, listening for clarity, balance, and any rattles. If you hear distortion, mute and inspect the mesh and driver area for leftover debris or moisture. Let it dry longer or use silica packets in a sealed bag for 24 hours. If problems persist, contact support rather than using more liquid.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.